Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to configure a combo chart widget in a Bold BI dashboard. Let's first do an overview of a combo chart. A combo chart allows you to compare values by combining multiple Cartesian charts such as those in this list. You can show the relationships between two or more sets of data. And by using a combo chart, you can display the data using several bars or lines, each representing a particular category. Let's get into configuring a combo chart widget. This dashboard displays KPIs relating to construction projects. Here, the Budget Variance Combo Chart widget shows the difference between the planned budget or baseline amount of expense and the actual amount spent. Now, I am going to recreate this widget for your real-time experience. Drag the combo chart into the canvas and resize it. The Assign Data tab holds a data configuration view. The combo chart needs a minimum of one value element and one column element. The dimensions and measures must be added based on two or more sets of data pointing to a particular category. Next, drop the measure or expression field that you want to analyze into the values block. Then, you can also change the chart type based on your need. Here we have changed as a line chart for the planned budget measure field. Drop the dimension for which you want to categorize the measure into the columns block. The actual and planned budgets are the two sets of data for the project categories. Last, apply ascending order sorting to the project categories based on the planned budget measure value. We have successfully configured the combo chart. Now, the widget visually highlights the differences between two sets of data. Primary values render with a column chart and secondary values render with a line chart. Under the Properties tab, you can change the chart type and axis. Click Change and the Chart Type and Axis Settings dialog will open. Modify the chart types or axis as needed. Then, if you enable the Secondary Axis button for any of the primary or secondary values, the corresponding chart type value axis range will be shown like this. Here on the Conditional Formatting dialog, you can see two different conditions. If the actual budget is greater than the planned budget, the color will be red. Otherwise, it will be green. This budget variance status column is achieved through an expression. Now, we have successfully recreated the widget. There are default properties that are applied while configuring the widget. You can also utilize it based on your need. To see more examples of combo charts, we have used it in several of our sample dashboards to demonstrate its usefulness. On our retail store performance dashboard, this combo chart allows you to compare values of product categories, sales volumes, and gross profit by combining a column chart and a line chart. On our sales opportunity dashboard, this combo chart allows you to compare values of estimated and actual revenue by again combining a column chart and a line chart. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.